This intense and serious video begins with a powerful atmosphere as a young 20-year-old man, Francisco Martinez, stands before a judge to face multiple serious charges. What may seem like a routine legal proceeding at first quickly turns into a deeply heavy and emotional moment as the full scope of the situation starts to unfold. The tension is clear from the very beginning, with every word and every pause carrying weight, showing that this is not just another case, but one that could permanently shape a young life. As the hearing progresses, the seriousness of the charges becomes more apparent, revealing a troubling pattern of decisions and actions that have led to this moment. The judge carefully ensures that Martinez understands everything: his rights, the consequences of his decisions, and the possible outcomes he is facing. There is a strong sense of responsibility in the room, as the process moves forward step by step, with no room for confusion or misunderstanding. Throughout the video, the focus remains on accountability and the reality of consequences. The young defendant listens as the terms and conditions are explained in detail, making it clear that every choice has led him closer to this point. The emotional weight of the situation builds steadily, reminding viewers how quickly life can change due to poor decisions and the importance of understanding the impact of one's actions. By the time the hearing reaches its conclusion, the outcome reflects both the seriousness of the offenses and the structured process that led to it. But beyond the final decision, what stands out most is the message delivered at the end: a strong reminder about personal growth, change, and the importance of making better choices moving forward. The closing moments leave viewers with a lasting impression, encouraging reflection on responsibility, consequences, and the possibility of turning one's life around even after serious mistakes.
Brittany Mitchell and Stacy Harrington for the state.
For the defense.
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Martinez.
And are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all of the discovery, and did you review that discovery with your client?
I have, Your Honor. We have reviewed all those documents, and I believe discovery is in compliance.
All right. And cause number 1, 2, well, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney, and did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
State in cause number 1, 2, the cause number ending in 1298, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are proceeding on 2 of the 7 counts. That would be count 5 and count 7, and waiving the remaining. And they're both to aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
Any objections? And then state in the cause number ending in 0792, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then in cause number 2023 CR 1297, state, do you have a motion with regards to the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor, we did file a motion to amend the indictment.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
And we are proceeding on the indictment as amended.
All right, Mr. Martinez, are you aware that the amendment that the state is making is a substantive change to the indictment? That you have time for your counsel to prepare for trial. Did you understand that?
Yes.
All right, you understand the change that the state is making to the indictment?
Was it changed? I didn't. Yes, ma'am.
They say your counsel is saying there was a correction of the typographical error. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you still wish to proceed on the plea in that case? I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Then in each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in cause number 2023 CR 1298? The state is proceeding on 2 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. The range of punishment in each of those counts is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 2023 CR 0792. The state is proceeding in two counts. Count one is a delivery of a controlled substance to a minor. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And they're also proceeding in count two with prostitution, solicitation to a person under 18. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And in cause number 2023 CR 1297, they're proceeding on sexual assault of a child. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights in each of these cause numbers and enter into a plea bargain agreement? Offenses?
Yes, I do.
And has he been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, we've had extensive discussions.
Mr. Martinez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the pleas?
No,
Has anyone promised you anything other than the pleas?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you the plea bargain page. Did you review those pages with your attorney? Did you understand them? All right. In each of the cause numbers, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. And cause number 2023 CR 0792, count one, there's a fine of $2,000. And cause number 2023 CR 1297, there is to be compliance with Chapter 62 registration and no contact with the complainant. And cause number 2023 CR 0792, the cause numbers will run concurrently. And you're to comply with registration. And cause number 0792, the counts are to run concurrently. Is it the party's intention that these cause numbers are to run concurrently?
Yes.
Yes.
And in cause number 2023 CR 1298, there's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. And each count, there's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Rocio Guardo, Janisa, Janysha Lee, Lorena Chavez, Miguel Guardo, Rigoberto Carrizales, Gabriela Carrizales, and Marco De La Fuente. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am. Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In each of the cause numbers, I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver of appeal. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes,
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There are no motions, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2023 CR 1298, how do you plead to count 5, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
How do you plead to count 7, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
And cause number 2023 CR 1297, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And cause number 2023 CR 0792, how do you plead to count 1, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Your Honor, we offer State's Exhibit number 1 and all attachments for each respective case.
Any objections?
No objection. My client and I have reviewed those documents and we have no objection.
All right. Mr. Martinez, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. State in each of the cause numbers, have the complainants been notified of the pleas?
They have, Judge, except for 0792, the complainant is in juvenile detention. We have reached out to her mother, but got no response. But the other complainants have been notified, for the other two cause numbers. This is also 3 different offense states, just to let the judge know.
Okay. All right, in cause number 2023 CR 1298, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty of count 5 and count 7, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing in that cause number?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask the court to honor the 8-year deferred, 8-year agreement, Your Honor. You know.
Okay. You shocked her.
Me too.
All right. In that cause number, the court will sentence you to 8 years in count 1 and count 7. Both counts will run concurrent. This will run concurrent with cause numbers 2023 CR 1297 and 2023 CR 0792. And each cause number, there's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. With regards to the no harmful or injurious contact with these persons, have you all spoken to the persons and they want to have contact?
They are, as a whole, not cooperative.
All right, Mr. DeLeon, your agreement is no harmful or injurious contact. In this court, I don't allow for contact unless the complainants come in and say they want contact. I will be willing to do no in-person contact. Will that nullify your agreement?
No, Your Honor, that'll be fine.
All right, so there's to be no in-person contact. And what that means is that you can speak to them on the phone. They can write you letters. If they want to have contact with you at the prison, they'll need to come in. You understand?
Yes.
So there's to be no in-person contact with Rocio Guayardo, Janisha Lee, Lorena Chavez, Miguel Guayardo, Rigoberto Carrizales, and Marco De La Fuente. And I'll give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
Just so we're clear on the record, I believe Mr. Martinez has 250 days in their county jail.
All right.
As the video reaches its final moments, the tone becomes even more reflective and emotionally heavy. Everything that has unfolded leads to a powerful conclusion, where the focus shifts from what has happened to what lies ahead. The young man stands at a turning point in his life, facing the reality of his actions and the consequences that come with them. There is a sense that this moment is not just an ending, but the beginning of a long journey, one that will test his mindset, discipline, and willingness to change. The closing words carry a strong message about responsibility and personal growth. It's not just about punishment, but about what a person chooses to do next. The emphasis is placed in using time wisely, learning from past mistakes, and making better decisions in the future. There is a reminder that continuing down the wrong path will only lead to more struggles, while choosing to improve can open the door to a different life. As everything wraps up, the video leaves viewers with a deep sense of reflection. It highlights how quickly life can change due to poor choices, but also shows that change is still possible with the right mindset. The ending doesn't just close the story, it delivers a meaningful lesson about accountability, growth, and the importance of taking control of one's future before it's too late.